In our daily research and development of robotic technologies to support or enhance rehabilitation services, it is important to maintain focus on the stakeholders involved and the problem we are trying to address. In order to maintain this focus, we apply user-centered design, meaning that we work together with clinicians, people with special needs, engineers, and people from the health science sectors. From two surveys specifically addressing developers and users of such advanced rehabilitation technologies, we were very happy to learn that such user-centered design is indeed common practice and that users are involved to a certain extent in the developments. If users and stakeholders are indeed involved, we have to ask ourselves why the availability and acceptance of such rehabilitation technologies is still rather limited. We believe that an unsatisfactory usability and overly complex practicability of these technologies is the core issue. Even though the users might get involved at some point, we learned from the surveys that they might get involved a bit too late in the development stage, meaning that they were not able to actively contribute to the concepts or prototypes derived and are only asked about the high-fidelity prototype in the very end of a development iteration. The evaluation phase, however, is still key to the user-centered design process, because there you have to decide if the design actually matches the problem you're trying to address, if the users are satisfied, or if issues have come up with the design that you're trying to address in the next design iteration. At this stage of the development, we have the chance to understand if the usability of the system is actually satisfying, or if not, what we can change in order to improve the usability of the system in the next iteration. This is where the importance of usability evaluation comes into play. Usability is always dependent on the context of use, meaning that when you evaluate the usability, you have to consider which users you are testing with, in which environment you are testing, what device you are bringing into this environment, and of course, what skills, knowledge, and experiences that the users bring into this environment. Based on this information of the context of use, you can then choose from a wide range of evaluation methods. This can range from simple user interviews or maybe focus groups with more than one target user. If you want to get more quantitative usability data, you can use performance metrics such as clinical tests, scales, or questionnaires. Of course, you can also use evaluation techniques such as motion capture or eye tracking. Finding usability methods that do fit your context of needs is indeed a core difficulty of the user-centered design process. This is what we have developed the Interactive Usability Toolbox for. With our step-by-step wizard, you can enter your context of use and also choose a specific evaluation focus, such that we can recommend you a list of measures based on that information. Also, you can use a range of usability attributes to specify the focus of your usability evaluation. By analyzing this information, we can then browse our database that contains over 150 different evaluation measures. Using the data that we have from existing, already finished usability studies, we can provide you with a rating if these list of measures were also used in a similar context before. With this, we hope to support the search for and selection of usability evaluation measures based on a specific context of use. In addition, we try to share as much knowledge as possible in our usability wiki page that contains terminology, tips and tricks about usability evaluation, but also more information on our own research and further readings from usability experts. With all of this information, you can become a usability expert yourself. As the name of our Interactive Usability Toolbox already states, this shouldn't be a one-way street of information. Rather, we want you, as users of the toolbox, to contribute to our information and data. For this, we created a feedback system that allows you to sign up into our website and then start adding data into our database. Additionally, if you don't agree with some of the characteristics or data shown on our website, you can submit change requests and we can try and see how we can improve the website further. Together, we can try and make usability evaluation more accessible and easier to give everyone a chance to become a usability evaluation expert to hopefully improve user-centered design of robotic technologies that will in the end benefit our target users. So let us know what you think and start contributing today.